Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news, and it's not good news at all, as Faisal Salum is set to sign for Simba. Faisal Salum, a player that Nasreddin Nabi wanted, a player that wanted to come to Kaizer Chiefs. He told Nabi that he wants to join Kaizer Chiefs, rejected a contract extension from Azam, very, very good contract. He rejected it. The guy did everything he could to join Kaizer Chiefs. There was nothing else he could have done, but Kaizer Chiefs didn't even bother to submit a second offer. And it's a fucking disgrace that the only reason we are not getting this guy is because of 9 million. Yes, he had 1 year remaining in his contract, but we are talking about one of the highly rated players in the Tanzanian league, considered the most talented by many. Provided 13 assists last season, the most by any player in the league. So the guy is worth every penny. He's been one of the best players in the Tanzanian league for the last 3 years, if I'm not mistaken. He has worked with Nabi. And in what world can you sell Yusuf Mark for 15 million, but you can't pay 9 million for Faisal Salum? It's a disgrace, mate. It's a disgrace. This guy was going to be Yusuf Mark's replacement, and he was going to be an upgrade. Moving from Yusuf Mark to Faisal Salum would have been an upgrade. The guy gives you goals, he gives you assists. The type of midfielder we need in the team. So this is a major loss. This is a very huge blow. He's set to sign for Simba. Nothing official as of now, but Simba's recent post clearly suggests that Faisal Salum is going there. And Simba have been interested. Simba have been competing with Kaizer Chiefs for the signature of Faisal Salum. And Simba are in the Champions League. And because they are a serious team, because they want to go very far in the Champions League, because they want to win their league, they finished second last season. They went to sign Faisal Salum. They are signing Mamelodi Sundowns players, the Rook, Neo Maem, and now they are eyeing Chapelo Maseko. Teams are serious out there, mate. It's only us. 9 million for the quality of Faisal Salum. This is a very, very huge loss. This is a disgrace. This is embarrassing, mate. This is embarrassing. This team is not serious at all. We keep on doing the very same thing, going for free agents, average players, and we want to get back to the top. We want the manager to succeed, but the management is not backing him at all. So this is a fucking disgrace, mate. Faisal Salum to Simba. Faisal Salum is not coming to Kaizer Chiefs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I am out.